Okay, so how you are going to make a copy for each student is I'm in my Google Classroom, go to classwork. As you create an assignment, and what I'll do, I'll just use something I did before, so I won't actually assign this one. When you add your file, so it has to come from the Google Drive, I believe. So here was a worksheet they did, a graphic organizer. Even though it was through Google Slides, it's just one slide and it's a worksheet. So what I do in order for them to edit is you want to make a copy for each student. When you do that, they get their own copy of the file. You don't want to do students can edit because then it will edit everybody. So you want to do make a copy for each student, and then you want to assign.